Hey YouTube, Mike X51 back with another video. And you already know the deal. If this is the first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, comment and share. So today's unboxing is there's some coins that I wanted when they first released. I'm not sure if it was 2017, but I know they had some releases in 2018. It's a series of coins that I wanted to get when they first came out, and I never pulled the trigger. And so now that I saw that they were coming out with another coin in the series that released this month, and they had a package deal where you can get them all together, so I decided to pull the trigger. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you what it is. Alright, so obviously you know now, it's the Marvel series coins. And this is the Spider-Man. And actually I guess started in 2017, so this is a 2017 year. So after seeing that, you know what it is. It's the rest of the coins. And this is the one that released this month. The Captain America coin. $2019. Deadpool. $2018. Iron Man. Another 2018. Thor. Another 2018. And Black Panther. And another 2018. So that is pretty much it. So that's the 6 coins in the series. I wonder what other coins are gonna release in the series, so I guess we just have to wait and see. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, comment and share. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.